Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe, please, because like 80% of you are not subscribed. And don't forget to click that bell notification so you know when I go live, when I deal with other people's cooking videos. All right. Let's start today's dish off, which is a ham, turkey, and apple sandwich. First thing we got to do is make our, I guess, lettuce mix for the salad, for lack of a better term. So I got about 3 cups of spring mix in a bowl. And this is one about medium-sized Honeycrisp apple that I cored and sliced up. I sliced it on the thinner side, about 1/4 of an inch or less. All right, so we want 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, followed up by 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Again, if you want this a little more vinegary, which I did, just add an extra tablespoon or so of balsamic vinegar. But again, 1 tablespoon is generally the standard. And if you want this a little more oily, obviously add a little bit more olive oil. And then just want to get your hands in or get some tongs and toss to coat the salad. And then set aside, and let's make our sandwich. All right, as you can see here, we got some sub rolls that are ready to go. And to this, I'm adding a cream cheese horseradish mix. And that's simply you take 1/3 of a cup of cream cheese and mix that with 2 tablespoons of horseradish sauce. Very easy to make. All right, then we want to add our turkey. I believe this is peppered turkey. Then we're going to follow that up with some nice Virginia ham. And then we're going to add some cheddar cheese to the ham side. And then some Colby Jack on the turkey side. And then we're going to pop this into a 450-degree oven for about 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese is nice, melted, ooey gooey, and wonderful. All right, let's move on to final assembly. All righty. Sandwich has been in the oven. Everything's nice and melted. Time to add that apple salad mix that we made. And then we just pop the top on, and that's pretty much it. Then just cut this down the middle here. And that's really it. So that's a ham, turkey, apple sandwich. Done.